Molykote D-321 R is an anti-friction coating for long-term lubrication of the parts operating under dusty conditions and are exposed to high loads where an extremely low coefficient friction is needed. Let's consider how to apply a Molykote D-321 R for open chain drive lubrication. The primary problem with chains operating in dusty environments is abrasive particles sticking onto their links. Using oils and greases just aggravates this process. How can you protect a chain against sticking and provide it with lubrication and wear protection? Only dry film lubricating anti-friction coatings can provide chain lubrication and prevent dust, sand, and other contamination sticking. In order to lubricate and protect the chain by preventing buildup of unwanted particles on the gear flanks and on the chain links, treat it with Molykote D-321 R anti-friction coating. Molykote D-321 R coating operates perfectly well in dusty operating conditions at extreme temperatures and loads. Molykote D-321 R prevents abrasive particles from sticking, operates in temperatures that range from 180 to 450 degrees centigrade, withstands extremely high loads, provides excellent adhesion, and resists washout. Molykote D-321 R is an effective chain lubricant operation in dusty environments.